Hey guys, what's up? So I got something in the mail, brand new. Opened it to see, have a look. And actually, let's see what we got here. So it's an RC boat I got. Oh, I love these things. Love those. It's sort of a, I wouldn't say hobby grade, but I would say that it's like the start at the beginning. Alright, let's see what we got here. Let's see. From the fans, I'm not sure. Yeah, this is not. I don't know what that is. That is not mine. Whatever. That is not mine. Here is what's in. Ready? Dun dun dun! Dun dun dun! So this is called the RC Wave Breaker, which is an RC boat that this is actually looking pretty cool. That's sick. Let's see what's in here. So it looks like it's a hobby grade, Porsche throttle, Porsche steering. I do not if it's gonna come charged or not. So we'll have to see and find out. I hope it works. Usually I get pretty angry and stuff if it does not work. And see, I should have something better. Yeah, this is better. So I'm waiting for this around maybe, well, I got it on Saturday. So it took around 4 days maybe. It's Tuesday. I'm not sure if I got it on 4 days. I'm not sure. Oh, here's my knife. Cool little pocket knife. It's actually, I have no idea what's in this box. Like, I'm not sure if this is gonna work or not. So we'll have to find out. Looks like it had been damaged during the shipping, that's actually okay. Usually some, like, it has roughy roads or something like that. And why am I using a screwdriver? Oh no, alright. Usually you have to open the sides. Usually they try it out before they ship it, so it should work. If they didn't ship, that means it would not work. Alright, what we have in this box. So let's see what we have in this box. Let's see. I'm gonna push that out of the way. So I go. Alright, looks like this is some boat stands, charger. Looks like zip ties. That's good. Looks like we got charger, boat stand. That's actually pretty cool. Instruction manual. Nothing else. Okay, now moving on to the boats. Okay. Alright, what else? Let me get my, let's see. And I just scratched it, oh well. Okay. Alright. Actually. Alright. That's one. Let's see, this is actually pretty good boxing. Like, wonder they used the zip ties included. Okay, got the boat. That's the boat. 5 minutes in already. Well, it's actually pretty cool. First hobby grade boat ever. And yeah, I'm good. All right. And there. And there. Alright, we got the radio out. Yep, portional throttle, portional steering. Looks like got a couple trims, on off switch. Look, batteries go in here. Let's see. Should have a screwdriver. I brought one just in case. And this takes let's see. First hobby grade RC boat, so I have no idea what's next and stuff. It should take 4, I believe. Should take 4. I did not choose the one that it come with batteries, so it does not. It takes 4 AA's. So I try to get that going. Okay. Looks like a rudder. A small prop. Alright. What's under the sled? Okay, not too bad. Wow. Actually pretty good and expected. So there's the inside. What kind of battery do we have? We have a 1500 amp, 3.7 volt, which is 15 discharge rate, which is good. And looks like this is a 1S LiPo, looks like. Alright, let's get into, that's actually that. Wow, look at that little tiny servo. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Does it have any power on, beeps, anything like that? Let's see. Makes some noise. Good, makes noise. Should have some charge in it. Alright, what's next? Let's see. So we have in the manual. Alright. Looks like some instructions. They tell you what to do and what the controls are. Alright, what else? So it looks like we have some zip ties. Here's some zip ties. That's strange. Oh, look at that. Look how cute this is. A little small screwdriver. And of course, also we have is the battery charger. So it is, and it has a light for green and red. And don't forget this, also important, extra prop. So I will try to get this thing running. I will do another video soon. Thanks to you for watching. See you guys. Subscribe, like, and peace out. Bye.